The UIs in some games can be annoying, overwhelming and complex. But for our own game, we want to create as interactive an experience as possible with zero UI. Up to this point, we have managed to build the weapon swapping, skin changes, upgrades, and all the core combat mechanics without a single UI element. Now it's time to create the settings menu. Naturally, building this menu without a single UI is impossible, and every game needs a settings menu. Instead of a full screen UI, our workaround was to use a physical in-game object. To keep things feeling interactive, the character pulls out a parchment here, and you interact with the settings directly on that object. Our first approach for the scroll's open and close animation was using morph targets, but it didn't look quite right. To do it properly, we added a skeleton and weight painted the parchment, then created the animation using those bones. We created opening and closing animations for the character to handle the parchment, as well as an idle holding state for when the character keeps it open. Once the animations were done, we had to make time stop the exact moment you hit escape, just before the menu pops up. Of course, we also need to take away the player's controls. If the character is holding a weapon when time stops, it has to be holstered first. After fixing the weapon holstering bug, we played the animation, and now the weapon correctly returns to its sheath. Now that everything is ready, we can spawn the parchment in the character's hand. We managed to spawn it in the correct location, but then we noticed the hand placement didn't align properly across different characters. Eventually, we abandoned this idea. We got rid of the character animations entirely. Instead, the parchment just opens up while the character watches it. Following that, we slowly started setting up the UI elements on the parchment and got the first prototype working. After a lot of development, we finally finished the settings menu. From here, you can customize the settings to fit your playstyle, choose from the supported languages, tweak the video and audio options, and view your stats along with the controls. Finally, we included a resolution scale in the visual settings. If you need more FPS, just lower this setting for a smoother experience. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to mention your thoughts and suggestions about our game in the comments. Subscribe for the next chapters. Bye! We are finally on Steam. Make sure to wishlist the game to stay updated and support our journey.